Now the artist no man cause I tell me from P fighting me say who is OT to stand in front of them to direct.
Artists with someone.
Oh, it all came around. There were so many artists. As at that time, no, the only mother that I had with the industry was Masia Sedu. Masia Sedu ni ma and commenting on survival industry.
Kumawood movies a drew time be na director way and ana movies no a jina ne so ye or born home modern because a drew time we know you interesting no or your star said den na nyo no na director the unnecessary no emma out director OT e mention am no ever twetwen komo director me more power director I say bring back the love of GH movies. Why GH movies not Kumawood?
There's nothing called Kumawood. Kumawood is an individual entity company being registered. But when you say Kumasi based films there, I can understand you.
Okay.
But there's nothing called Kumawood.
Okay.
Since film industry, the fraternity is concerned.
Okay. Okay. I think that this discussion, the whole topic, because issues are about back and forth. It's a bit to maybe into.
It's an.
I know say entity owned by Sam Dakus.
Yeah, Sam Dakus there. You need to respect that.
Yeah.
When you're doing no buy and it is sustained.
Okay.
In the market, you have to respect him as an individual. No, what dream be when not mining me atum. But there's nothing called Kumawood movies.
Okay, that's fine. Maybe I saw Kumawood was with JB da.
Me and Kasa naturally, you know, I was enkanokre.
Okay.
Ghana, I was a fair.
I was in a
naturally, we are say, a dear friend is say. Award be enkanokre. We do it to favor people, and I don't forget say anybody who organizes an award is a business person.
Okay.
He does it for a return.
Okay.
And if you are not there to favor him or her, you won't get it. But let the people. The Bible says the people shall talk about me. That is Jesus Christ.
Okay.
We are saying
okay.
And let your works speak for you.
Okay, I think that.
But there are other awards. I have even the Kumawood Akubens Awards 2013. I won the best story on Nipanye.
Okay.
That movie was within the characters like Acrobato, Lewen, Nana Hayford, and others. It was produced. I gave the story to a friend of mine.
Okay.
Called Seaboot Ventures.
Okay, Seaboot Ventures.
As at that time, I was assisting as a Rebediakon. But yes, to me as a production manager, my story won that award. And most of my people, my crew, although the makeup and other artist people, so many have won awards from my job.
Okay, that's fine. Before even I step in, and now it's a movie, Acrobat to one way. Why not? I will come with that one director, I mean the A-list artist.
The A-list artist, I don't know. I started with them when I was a PA.
Okay.
I was with them. And I work in the filming fraternity. I have moved through all the process.
Okay.
I started as a PA from Raka Films through James Abuaji, 5-Park president.
Okay.
I honor him and I respect him wherever that I am.
Okay.
So a frame director, on my mom recover my career when I was in school, or say to two. I completed OT.
Okay.
I joined the industry when I was in school and baby. That was my first move was at Soriba.
Okay. That time I was school.
Now I was school. I joined free school. I never set in so. Tina Ubia knew me. I had that symbol named OT from Nanama McBrown.
Okay.
Now me say me school uniform na ni ejina. Tina Opobia Suman. I know yes OT bra.
Yeah.
And I didn't establish it. And yes, it didn't be answer so.
Yeah.
What kinds of me so much because Ghana said we both didn't say to two. He didn't catch it. And the name has really reflected on my life.
Okay.
And I'm working towards the name.
Okay.
I don't know. I've worked with all the top directors, the top producers, the top artists.
Okay.
Artists be any Kumasi men director in that.
Okay. That's fine. Before we continue this conversation, now make catch you say the ribbon say wherever you are, be I know your banners or person when you far, bra, normal wake, papa, ne bosso F4 or the sha, be me be who over for director agent say, oh share wig no who was mommy rule we fatal, not the amount. Frederick Bonde was 0546925622 0546925622 from nene omo ending it on say opese oye wedding and I say oye party now pe decoration a efa Frederick Bonde na omo enyema director ye real Kumawood no we say oh be rem na wo oti and I dwane ba more like my story no so me rem na mo Kumasi Academy na me dwane ba sa nti wo rem no challenge be pa na we face during the time I will skip school at the movie industry.
Well, na me and Kasano, my vision and Kasa family baby as say na I wanted to be a chef.
Okay.
Because now me share on my dressing, but now me share movies. How am I show me white on my year drum play? My name is and from JHS to SHS no, me choose home economics.
Okay.
But I could do OT no master sign and visual arts. And I'm so well, let me stay with it. To me, you know, me decided say, okay, fine, I want to be a pilot.
Okay. From visual to pilot.
Yes, and to me decided say me call soldier.
Okay.
So right there, no, like me be home when I'm in school, I'm a drama.
Okay.
I was part of our drama club, you know, say to two. Me winning so many awards. Best scriptwriter awards 2005, 2004,
okay.
LSRC week days. Tina ewomi mo. Nti omo ba kropan on betwa sorry ba no. So lucky I was having a friend called Kwaku Chumasi.
Okay.
No senior Chumasi director. Junior Chumasi soundman.
Soundman tuntum no.
Tuntum no.
Okay.
Me na me ono na de me ko sinim.
Okay.
So me na me be kire na adwuma wo sinim.
Wow, mentia say true.
Ono no di me ono go industry nim dada. E na me di na chi koe. But later me be sua adwuma be ye soundman. E na me mo misa be training no.
And so no do rem no nyanye sound.
No nyanye sound.
Okay.
Me every 3 movies be na me graduate.
Okay.
From Raka Funds.
Wow.
Until Jones Ajman and I discover me say meeting me aye sound.
Okay.
Or try me I me call until from production manager to location manager. I've done a whole lot. Okay. It's not that maybe real no. I can't remember I brought it by no my process for Miss Soja no my Air Force.
Okay.
She was set to swan and let any buy. The letter never was there with friends, many a Jimmy Kosoja. I can't remember miracle from Slam cry and say, Director, me let an about me call. On my miscarriage, me quite come but or shame in combi.
Okay.
Me catching so boah. Me and I'm saying no catching the Soja in Yamajuma.
Sano catch him.
Sano catch him, some media meaning I'm in Yamajuma. I was still come back to field. And I'm Director.
Me go Soja.
I'm a person, maybe cheap plane. That was 2007 till now. This young can't flight lieutenants are because now I have the zeal, the power to do it. To me, by me training work for dia, I am medical side be a exams or much a shitty BBM or my can start work. Me to be 15 minutes and I'm in shady midnight. I didn't buy me 3 man and say stand up and go.
Ah, danger.
I didn't know. That's the only word ever me.
Now, all the questions not to
questions ni nada.
Now, yes, you're saying to me, and tonight, a boo.
For you know, Obisa me era from school even to my job now. Say Ghana ha ye toppest production be and I say a tough and harder. Ye kasi pay production manager be manager. As at now, I even still manage some of my directors, production as my director.
Okay.
Many years pa. Many years now. I'm always focused and perseverance. I perceived what I want to achieve. To me, sorry, I'm a boy. I'm calling me back. I sat and I do be 1 a.m. no much 9 since, and I call back to the certain man. It's a semi catcher. My family name be no problem.
Sir, what jai so jai
because at times nanka was me call ye political science. I will minya we so
Legon.
No, Sunyain Polytechnic.
Okay.
My mother can and say, I want to come to the street.
Okay.
Me say me go school but the right time say me call me but for now no so you know the me ko rema obe waste me sika go me nya time for class.
Okay.
Me so mo different side of agenda me dey now. Ti nyankopon do mo dey me for film ni ade and I quite remember you were shooting this movie Pastor Tai. So that time na Atai issue no about critical. So now I was in a car with my boss John Sajman. no more can't overclock news about that. Tell you, director, why can't you make story out of this with Apostle John Prah?
Okay.
And I said, wow. To me, narrative story in the channel is a good story, but with Apostle, well, yes, so funny there. Oh, no. Because at the end of the day, on also saw the baby and at the end of the day, was sacra. And I'm okay, then let's create him to be a twin. Now, on your discuss ya ni mini who you're not a core. When you on the self shooting, so that time now the lights of Likee, Rasnene. Yes, the lights of Fumia, Tutu, or say to Nyame Kese. No, Monsieur will be more permanent because of my hard work and the other. Me giddy power, but more home brush here.
Okay.
Timmy no more, you upon 90 by 12 a.m. Tinia Titi Hotel Supermambo, Guase, Hosea. Just me free in any and some clients. Work hard, you can become a director.
Okay.
Because you may show contributions as a Jaima wa, Ubetimi. Namiankasa Macrana margin in your mouse. He said it. And we were shooting a movie. I was with John shooting a movie. And I'm a PPM because Open Production CK, we are production CK there. When was offer.
Now what the kid
was on the bank ruler. On a BBR. It's what to me a balance of books in your idea. Unia Jumanese, Cacrash on. You know about how you do hotel bills. Says you tones you, but your new receipt. No correct. Until you didn't see me tones you $10. Now say $3 and a year account when I'm in my. Till I was with Jones. Why Jones, I must have a director. They said the PM wap, and I said, Cover Mamma no any album. I stand there at the wedding pay now for me. They brought in a niece I was trained to once meet the one of Passion of Jones frame say in brand new room. Cover them a question in Wolf. Okay. Send me in Huska and Timmy will be full. I don't say no, baby, I'm a Druno. I am working under him. Your corset I will just script to Mamma May. I'm a big man enough right now that I can fish for myself. Okay. The mission as I said me yet a human and nobody will see me. Intina watching the mammy margin and could di secret near the other, but as you also focus by your Pesica Cassia direct and so no cordial contract. Yeah, and some of them to be who you are, how I may see a handle production with me. Or can I'm so okay, fair enough. To one night, such Sunday, I saw the same miracle man, miracle forms in a dream. It's the highest testimony any platform that I will get beyond. Only penny nama, only 90. Okay. He can bless, he can curse. Okay. Today, now it was a very bare land. I see you try epic cottages. Okay. But maybe I met here be na scorpions. Oh. APA. But na omunti me and bite me. Timi dwane ya na me kotte dining chain say. Ade am tifu machi ya ne say show. Me too many say na twa owoti. E down chain. Timi tani say na ye papa no. On na twa owoti ama. On twa woniti. No ka kire me say me nko. Ampanso papa no aponkora wateti omu nyina. O kamia wakan. Wow. Asat now. Still ni sunsum ne spirit edimechi. Asama make that na I was on set with Jones. It take about 4 or 5 days I'm so die. So what we name Atria Mountains level 3 now. Oh papa na sifi o wa. He's a man of God. Okay. Otiti we nyamesum. Ye production otimi de yeko. Na yakobo empire until sifi o homa ya dey quite fully comfortable as. But I'm here stop me every production be any made. Okay. Every production be any me. Na ye made. But the next production you know, unim say wotiko. But we still come and meet him. And I want some another position no a sandman and no free ho. No konena or handle different point. Within Atria Mountains I saw that you know now there's a bell land that me gina ho see. To be just a month will be ba. Nipa de dream channel say Jessica doko. Baby, I bet me I could drop him as assassin. What dear? So 1 year lazy in Condia. It was the same question I made. No, the man. I know this kind of man. And yet, take a week. Minnie Jones was said so. Anna Jones frame is a miracle friend. Nana down for Balcon. A work crowd, baby production of Kumas when you production of Kumas said that. Okay. What is so Christopher? Okay. Intino, what catching say me and I meet me 100 production. A man. Minquay locations, Miami locations, we say PM. And then Bisan said that, or the next day, and I'm how can I work on locations? And now I can't so much energy production. Was it, I know that you can do it. So, and I just catch him so create a fraud on so. In Timenko, and I'm mom describe a story, came on phone, and I'm starting locations. You know. That movie was called Greedy Bastards.
Okay.
Saturn and Rollins. That was year 2013-14. Okay. Not the late former President Rollins. Now I can say the NDC is a Greedy Bastards. No?
Okay.
And you make a movie out of it. My neighbor drew now the next morning your collocation. It was a crash shooting is different from Kumasi.
Yeah.
You are all doing filming, but Obia on a style of shooting. Oh yeah, na me list scenes no, me do my collocation. I was the first scene I'm the characters being your tree, and no almost some movie tripod when I'm at it. There were 4 corners of the area. Anywhere that you turn camera to is a different angle. To me, me and my make first scene is here on the script. I'm saying this scene, this is the angle that I've prepared. Or also here, what is good near cha. To travel 5 scenes no nyako. To near it, one corner channel catch them say,
take over.
And it was a very challenging job for me because at that time, young boy, maybe when said I'm quite a production manager. Now not the top stars on the set, the likes of Monsieur Sidu, Chewa, Azozo, Mr. Chumesi, Apostle John Prah, and others.
Yes, take baton.
I take a baton. Obia, me said then your full directing job that. I took it from there. They didn't say just a day job. Yapon, Akoda, the next one I'll buy was a boss young Kono driving to the set. I mean, so many challenges. One day the baby has even the Bible testify. Now the artist no man can tell me from P, fighting me say who is OT to stand in front of them
to direct them.
To direct.
Artists with someone.
Oh, it all came around. There were so many artists. As at that time, no. Now, the only mother that I had with the industry was Monsieur Sedu. Monsieur Sedu nima and coming and survive war industry.
Ono na ejina mao.
Mercy.
No more fighting against one.
Mercy is somebody who can't wait here. Can.
Okay.
But tell me, I'm so about waiting. No, almost na the best route.
Okay.
One how say he will not talk to the boy again, but he's always a mother to me. Yes, man, to say the sebi, the yamba.
Okay.
And what can. Tina the attitude, and the reason why they were saying that they don't want me to direct and say that I say intimidation.
Why money? I say you said about message say this or no intervening say be a more person will be directing or no catch you say no. I was say my OT directing. Why money stop you from directing them?
It could be no. They were a lot, but one thing is they will not tell you in face. But you see those African tradition thing like a kind of training at the other. So when I heard it,
director, are you not too bold enough to mention names? This me papa kuma say ekasai. Na oye bold enough to tell me say no okọ set bi. Na set na no okọ no. Omo ka kire ne say hwe no ama. E ma producer ne frɛ no. E ka kire ne say asumasi obodin. This say director Fifi mom pese obeba but ono dey as a producer no. Ohiano.
For no beside this industry O2 trademark. I don't feel anybody.
So why can't you mention names?
I
think the way forward, the internet said they bring back the love of Kumawood, and I said bring the Kumawood.
The way forward is not about we mention the name to the audience, but it happened, and we are all industry players.
Okay.
It's not necessary about mention this one or that one names, but it happened, and whoever listened to this interview, who was on that set, and to testify this, I can mention him. Socrates can testify to it.
Okay.
Until a group point mention me, it goes by, and I'm saying, well. I'm not ready for the job. I was only called as a production manager.
Until now, one person also be directing.
So I dropped the script to Secretary say, "Ome Nejuma." Na me production manager, and Secretary was able and was strong man enough to stand by me. Say, "Me na me di Nejuma na me di amakora no."
Okay.
So most of my makora na nye di ene me sense say me na go back to Accra.
Yes, Nejuma ko na nye bi.
O na nye bi.
Wow.
And almost cycle me with so many things and I could continue. To be real Secretary Jumano. And I'm who the zeal and the power and say,
you can do it.
I can do it. And I was okay, fine. If you can do it, why not trust to be him said Juma?
Okay.
then I have to study it on my own. And I'm wishing maybe say within the industry, if you want to get on top, it's only two things: being a director and executive producer.